So my beast, the Amiga 2000, is back from repairs once again. I hope it actually works as it should now. And in this video I'm going to install some upgrades. So since this machine is from 1988, I'm going to install some upgrades that is from 1988 or earlier. In the next video I'm going to compare it to the Amiga 500, but for now let's have a closer look at the awesome hardware I'm going to install. In the meantime I'm going to start sunbrighting this keyboard, and we'll check out the results at the end. This lovely card is the A2620 Accelerator. It has a 6885-1 memory management unit to support the use of virtual memory. The 68020 CPU is running at 14 MHz, twice as fast as the 68000, and it also has other improvements as well. And this 6888-1 floating point unit will help with certain productivity software like Vista Pro and other 3D programs. It also has 2 MB of fast RAM installed, but can be upgraded to have 4 MB. This A2088 is an IBM XT on the card, so you can run IBM software on your Amiga. It has 512 KB of RAM, an Intel 8088 at 4.7 MHz, and in this socket you can install a floating point unit. This board has clearly been modified, and I think they tried to get 640 KB of RAM, but apparently it didn't work, and it only shows as 512 KB. At least that's what I was told, so we will see what happens. This is the GVP Impact 2000 hard drive controller. It has 2 MB of RAM and auto boot. I will use this 40 MB hard drive, the M8048S, and this floppy drive for the IBM card. Alright, now everything is installed. We have the 68020 accelerator here, the hard drive controller card here, and the PC emulator card. And here is the hard drive. I made a little thing here so that I can have the hard drive here, because I'm supposed to have the hard drive here instead, but I didn't want to remove the floppy drive. I want 2 floppy drives. So yeah. But does it work? I don't know. Let's boot and see what happens. Maybe it will explode or something. I think this is okay. Looks good. Yes. Alright. I knew of course that the hard drive was working DF1 bad. Why? Maybe the floppy drive, I made some mistake there. So I have the split over here. I think I'll try to have the split in this end instead. It still says DF1 bad. No, you see the red cable is on the far right here and on the far left there. So I made the mistake there. I believe I need to turn this around. Yeah, the red cable is supposed to be the far left here. There's no floppy drive error. The red light is not supposed to be there all the time. So I'm sure I need to just turn the cable and put it in again. Yeah. So I'm just watching Jan Bita's videos. He installed the card like this, and he said pin 1 on the bridge board is facing upwards. So I need to turn this around because you would think that it would go in this way, but no. It goes in this way. Which seems a bit strange to me, but... So when I'm going to test if the bridge board is working, I can click PC color. But then I get an error message saying couldn't find library, which could indicate that the card is not working. So I think I need to try to undo the attempted RAM mod on that card. So I'll start with removing the mod, and yeah, wish me luck. So now I have unmodified it and removed the extra piece of RAM and some cables and such. And on the other side, I think these two are supposed to be connected, and the trace was broken, so I fixed that. Come on, please work, please work. I don't think it will work. Don't think it will work, but please work. No! Why? I have also reseated the software. No, I have also reseated the chips, some of the chips. Maybe I should try a different software or something. Check this out. It is working! I struggled so much to get this working. First, the bridge board didn't work. Suddenly it would work. The floppy drive wouldn't work. So I couldn't get DOS installed here or anything. I couldn't boot. And then I tried to transfer DOS over from my regular PC, and well, that was not so easy because this is using Kickstart 1.3 and nothing. There's not that much software available for the Kickstart 1.3 that allows for file transfer and such. And I couldn't find my Amiga Explorer cable, and anyway, the floppy cable I used was broken. So I replaced it, and now I put this in my PC and I was able to make some floppies. So now I can install DOS. This is so cool! And Control Alt Delete. Okay, that didn't work for me. So maybe format C colon and /s or something. Okay, it's complete. Let's see if C has some files. Command.com at least. Okay, that's what we need, I think. Then we'll make a folder, make directory DOS. And then copy a colon, I think. Because in older DOS, even though I typed cd DOS, it doesn't say C DOS here. But we are still in the DOS folder. Okay, copy DOS, no, a colon, where is star, dot star. Alright. Okay, so it will now boot from the hard drive. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this. I can't move the window further down here. Okay, that's more normal at least. Let's try cat. Will this work? Hey, it works! Here's Ali Cat. Let's work. I have to go up here. Here. No! Come on. So if I display small size window borders, these buttons doesn't work, but okay, it's not ideal, but hey, now I can do this. Or this. This is so cool. So now I'm going to play a game that I think you have seen before a lot of times, and you know how it works on a stock Amiga 500. And now let's see how it works on the Amiga 2000. what is happening with the sound. I might need a new Polar chip. But I have a new Polar chip. Let's turn off the sound and just see how it works. Okay, well this was not super smooth, but how do I take off though? Let's just check out the demo here. I didn't think it would stutter like this here. Not as much. Here it seems quite smooth. By the way, this is why I couldn't sunbright the keyboard more. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is such a cool machine from 1988 with upgrades from 1988. And the bridge board was so cool to get it to work, so much fun. And I'm going to have some more fun with this, explore what type of software I can use. And also perhaps upgrade the RAM so I get 4 MB in the accelerator card. And of course replace the Polar sound chip. Yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and in the next video I'm going to modernize the Commodore 64. So that's going to be cool. So perhaps in the video after that I'll go back to the Amiga 2000. Yeah, so press the like button if you did enjoy the video, because that will help me because of the YouTube algorithms and algorithms. I cannot speak. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.